So in this video I am going to show you sold product and install base item in ServiceNow CSM, how to manage that. So first of all, I have created the sold product. Go to the customer service, sold products, new. I have created a sold product like Cellular premium streaming software license. I have give the product, and I have created a child product like Cellular remote. After that, parent child hierarchy, I will create install base items, and here you can see the sold product also. Then I will create the install base item. For the same install base item, request actual product installation at the customer location. So after that, install base item creation, I add the characteristics of the streaming type like premium, and all the characteristics and sold products I have added to the install base items like Cellular streaming box, now global media, and streaming type is premium. Here you can see. Now I go to the customer user and give the roles to the customer, so customer can easily view the product installation and all the things. So you can, I now in the customer account, you can see the install base characteristics and sold product license, all the things in the customer account.